This dance is called Do It All Again. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot. Going to walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Straight into a side rock, so you're rocking on the and count, recover on count 3, then step forward on that right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right, and add on a left-footed coast across. That set of steps once more then. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, chassé to the right, side close side. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight back on that right, and then go to chassé to the left, putting a quarter turn on the end, side close, quarter turn left. That set of steps once more then. Side close chassé, off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross. Side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Into a couple of samba steps. So you're going to cross that right over the left, then rock to the side on the left and recover. Repeat with the left foot, crossing the left over the right, and rocking to the right and recover. Cross the right over the left, step back on that left. You're then going to rock back on the right, and as you do so, you're going to sit back, pop that left knee, and then recover. That set of steps once more then. Samba's off on that right. 7, 8. Samba, step, cross, back, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, samba, step, cross, back, back, rock. Into a right-footed rocking chair, so you rock forward on that right, recover, rock back on the right, recover. Step forward on the right, you're going to bounce your heels twice, making a quarter of a turn each time. So quarter turn left, quarter turn left. When you come out of these bounces, your weight should be on your right foot, because you're then going to step forward on that left, and as you do so, flick that right back. So you may find when you come to do this in the music that you do a little hoppy jump on that left as you flick. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, flick. Okay, so although it's a step and a flick, I'm actually going to call it a flick as we go through the dance, so you know exactly what it is you're doing. So that is the end of the dance. When you get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Samba step, cross, back, back, rock, rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, flick. So there are a few hand counts in this dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up as we go around the walls because the music is a bit faster. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé. Cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flick. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé. Cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flip. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé. Cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flick. So that is your dance. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. But that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music.
See me on a Monday, love me like it's Friday, dancing till it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dancing till it's Sunday, then do it again.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé, cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flip. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé, cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, cross. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flip. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé, cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flip. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock. Coaster, cross. Side, close. Right chassé, cross, rock. Chassé, turn. Samba step. Cross, back, back, rock. Rocking chair. Step, bounce, bounce, flip. Walk. Side goes. Samba. Rocking chair. Walks. Side goes. Samba. Rocking chair. Walk. Side close. Samba. Rocking chair. Walk. Side close. Samba. Rocking chair. did you manage that one?